Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One, Steve Carell, to the park every night. A, going. B, goes. C, gone. D, go. Two, we usually. On Saturdays. A, swam. B, swim. C, swimming. D, swum. Three, the baby monkey loudly. A, crying. B, cries. C, cry. D, cries. Four, the sun in the west in the evening. A, setting. B, settle. C, a sets. D, as set. Five, Susan, up at 8:10 a.m. every day. A, wakes. B, wake. C, waked. D, woke. Six, they usually breakfast together as a family. A, has. B, having. C, have. D, had. Seven, we football on Fridays. A, played. B, play. C, playing. D, plays. Eight, we to the mountains in winter. A, going. B, goes. C, go. D, went. Nine, they, friends only until the series Friends. A, was. B, are. C, is. D, were. Ten, Marie, to the museum by bicycle. A, went. B, go. C, going. D, goes. 11, he. French every Wednesday. A, learning. B, learn. C, learns. D, learned. Twelve, the dog on the sofa. A, sitting. B, sat. C, is sit. D, sits. "13, rain, the subway home from school. A, rides. B, rode. C, riding. D, ride. 14. It always on Tuesdays. A. Raining. B. Rains. C. Rained. D. Rain. "15. John. His homework before going to the park. A. Finish. B. Finishes. C. Finishing. D. Finished. "16. My brother, to music in his room. A. Listened. B. Listen. C. Listens. D. Listening. "17. We, our grandfather every Wednesday. A. Visit. B. Visited. C. Visiting. D. Visits. "18. Dogs, bone. A. Like. B. Liken. C. Liking. D. Likes. "19. He usually lunch at 1400 hours. A. Cooking. B. Cook. C. Cooked. D. Cooks. "20. The train. At 12 a.m. every day. A. Leaving. B. Left. C. Leaves. D. Leave. "21. He. His favorite novel right now. A. Reads. B. Reading. C. Will read. D. Read. "22. Sparrows. Every morning. A. Chirp. B. Chirped. C. Chirping. D. Chirps. "23. She. Tea in the morning. A. Drinking. B. Drank. C. Drinks. D. Drink.